Hello students, we will continue with the chapter Evolution of Human Beings. We start with the second period of the Stone Age, the Mesolithic Age or the Middle Stone Age. It comes after the Old Stone Age or the Paleolithic Age. During this period, agriculture started in some places, that is, people started cultivating. At certain excavated sites, canoes, a small, long, narrow boat, and bows, a weapon for shooting arrows, have been found. This shows that there was improvement from the Old Stone Age. But the tools used for hunting and gathering food were still made of flint stones. Now let's move on to the next period, the Neolithic Age or the New Stone Age. This is the third period of the Stone Age. During this period, there were some noticeable changes in the life of the people. Like people led a settled life. They gave up their nomadic life of moving from one place to another in search of food, because they practiced agriculture and started domestication of animals, that is, keeping animals. Thus, the early humans had a regular supply of food. Crops like wheat and millet were grown. Animals like dogs, sheep, goats, cattle, pigs and poultry were domesticated. Some advantages of domestication of animals are as follows. Number 1, it provided a regular supply of meat. Number 2, the early humans could use the skin of animals for covering themselves. The animal skin was also used for making huts. With time, cattle were used for plowing the land, which helped them in agriculture. The animals were also used as protection from the attack of other tribes. Due to their settled life, the early humans started making huts using twigs, grass, sticks, clay and skin of animals. Slowly, more and more people started living together, and this was how villages were formed. Another important development of the Neolithic Age was the invention of wheel, which made the life of the people much easier. They could easily transport goods on wheeled carts, make pottery on the potter's wheel, and they also started spinning and weaving clothes using the wheel. The last period of the Stone Age is the Chalcolithic Age or the Stone Copper Age. There was a gradual transition, that is, a slow change from the use of stone tools to the use of metals during this period. The first metal used was copper. Both stone tools and copper tools were used during this period. So we see the people of this period were good coppersmiths and stone workers. That is, they made objects from both copper and stones. As bangles made of copper and tools made of stone have been found in many sites. The pottery used during this period was known as black and red pottery. So we see the transition from use of stones to the use of metals was slow. Tin was discovered. People learned to mix copper and tin to make bronze. With this, the Bronze Age began. People noticed the tools made of bronze were stronger than stone tools. So let's see some of the effects of the discovery of copper and tin. Number 1. People needed to mine or dig for tin and copper. Number 2. This made some people shift from farming to mining. Number 3. So the farmers had to produce more food. Number 4. Thus more occupation emerged to sustain each other. That is, more employment appeared to support one another. So we learned about some important changes during this period. And with the discovery of metals, the Stone Age slowly came to an end. This is the end of the chapter. This is your worksheet. As already mentioned, write the answers in any notebook. You can use comment section of the video for any query or question. Thank you.